How to update Google Play services. The right way to replace Google Play providers on Android. To test if Google Play Companies is up to date, open the Google Play Services app page in an internet browser. For those who see deactivate, then your app is present. For those who see replace, faucet it to obtain and set up the newest updates for Google Play Companies. The right way to replace Google Play providers on Chromebooks. Some Chromebooks made after 2017 assist Android apps and the Google Play retailer. You'll be able to replace Google Play providers on Chromebook by visiting the Google Play Services app page within the Chrome browser. The right way to troubleshoot points with Google Play providers. If an app crashes or fails to load, you would possibly get an error message saying that Google Play Companies has stopped. For those who are certain the app is up to date, then chances are you'll have to clear the Google Play Company's cache and storage. Open your gadget settings. Faucet Google Play Companies. Faucet drive cease, then faucet storage. Faucet clear cache, then faucet handle storage. Faucet clear all information. You could have to attend as much as 5 minutes for the adjustments to take impact. For those who are having bother downloading an app from Google Play, then chances are you'll have to repeat the steps above for the Play Retailer app as effectively. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.